Hi, I'm Abhishek Patil and I'm in first year MBBS preparing for USMLE and aiming to get residency in US. For this I was searching for various coaching programs and I came across Moksh. Found it suitable because of its flexible timing and systematic schedule and also its expert faculty. In subject like anatomy, I liked Dr. Dhruv Revenue because in anatomy I am able to quickly grasp the topics because of his teaching method. Also, in subjects like histology and anatomy, I am able to correlate with the lectures going in the Moksh program and on the ongoing lectures in my college. With this, I can definitely say that Moksh coaching program will be helpful for me to achieve my goal.